Hello! Meta seems to be swinging for the cheap seats. In a Monday post, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced that the company had built an artificial intelligence supercomputer intended for training and chasing machine learning systems. Zuckerberg wrote in his post that Meta has developed what he believes to be the world's fastest AI supercomputer. We are calling it RSC for AI Research SuperCluster, and it will be complete later this year. AI research has become increasingly important to mega firms like Meta. Nvidia and Microsoft have already announced plans to deploy their own AI supercomputer systems, which are a variant of the conventional idea of a supercomputer. Meta's global reach of capital gains will make RSC useful across the wide range of industries. The company is developing augmented reality features that will eventually appear on the AR hardware, and it's developing content moderation algorithms to detect high-risk language on Facebook and Instagram, such as hate speech. RSC will allow Meta to develop novel services on the metaverse, the company's privately owned virtual supplement to public commons, where office and advertising-friendly space will promote nearly every aspect of the user's experience. As far as the Meta is concerned, all of this is great. In the blog post from Meta, Shubho Sankupa and Kevin Lee, two of the company's engineers wrote RSC will help Meta's or AI researchers build new and better AI models, can learn from trillions of examples, work across hundreds of different languages, translate text, images, and video, develop new augmented reality tools, and much more. We hope RSC will help us build an entirely new artificial intelligence system that can, for example, provide real-time voice in translations between language groups of people who speak different languages, so they can seemingly collaborate on a research project or play AR game together, said the Meta engineers. Meta engineers began working on the various systems that support the supercomputing AI 1.5 years ago. Power, cabling, networking, and cooling systems had to be designed from scratch. Meta had market capitalization of nearly $860 billion as of January 2022. However, Phase 1 of RSC has already been completed with the 760 NVIDIA DGX systems and 6080 GPUs. According to the firm, this setup has already improved performance over conventional machine vision research by 20-fold. In addition, RSC Phase 2 will be completed before 2022 is over. Microsoft AI supercomputer built by OpenAI uses 10,000 GPUs, according to a report from The Verge. When the supercomputer is complete, it will have about 16,000 total GPUs, enabling it to train AI systems with more than 1 trillion parameters on a dataset as large as an exabyte. Meta's AI might be the fastest in the game after the upgrade, in case you missed it. It may seem like a bunch of numbers, but the real value of supercomputers lies in their applications, not in the theoretical speed of peak performance. In order to improve its regulation with consumers, Meta will build a new moderation system. Meta could become a formidable rival to Apple, Google, and Microsoft if this happens. However, this is a big if. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for future videos.